Hi, good afternoon. So today we are going to understand how to create a profile in Passport to Earning platform that is backed by UNICEF so that you can complete a course called Digital Productivity with AI and get a certificate which is verified through the UNICEF. First, open this link called skills.my-e2e.org. Click on that Get Started. Click over the sign up button. Please write down your mail ID. Please click on the send verification code. You would be getting a verification code in your mail. Please refresh your mail. So this is the verification code. Please copy the verification code and paste it over here. Click on the verify code. Now select the password. Password should be a combination of a lowercase character, uppercase letter, a digit of symbol, and it should be minimum 8 to 64 characters. So now read the password of your comfort. Click on create. Once the password is created, it is asking for the profile completion. So in the first name, please write it your name. Gender, select your gender. Age, make sure your age should be in between 18 to 30 years. Role, select as a student. State, please make sure wherever state you are, but select the Delhi over here. Please select the district, that is South Delhi. Please select the institute name, that is Ubantu Foundation. Are you interested for job? If you are interested, please say yes, else no. Click on get started. Now this login is completed. If you click on the course library, you will find a lot of courses over here. You can do all the courses also, but here we are focusing on first to do this digital productivity with AI. So click on the course. In the course, if you can see, there are 4 modules, and each modules will backed by some. It is having some assignments also and some quiz also. So click on the register. Once it is registered, you can see over there this video lectures are there. So every module has approximately 5 to 6 lectures, and after that there is a small assignment which is a assessment basically. And after that completion of all the lectures, you have to give a final assessment. And this final assessment, once it is completed, you will get a certificate from UNICEF. And this certificate is very important to you. And this certificate should be submitted to SEMS Foundation in the Google form, and which Google form link has been already shared with you. So thank you. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.